Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video we will learn C programming. Introduction to C language. This is in part 1. What is C? C is a general purpose programming language created by Dennis Ritchie at the Bell Laboratories in 1972. It is a very popular programming language despite being old. C is strongly associated with Unix as it was developed to write the Unix operating system. Why learn C? What is the reason to learn C language? It is one of the most popular programming languages in the world. If you know C, you will have no problem learning other programming languages like Java, Python, C++, etc. as the syntax is similar. C is very fast compared to other programming languages like Java and Python. C is very versatile. It can be used in both applications and technologies. Syntax. What is a syntax? Syntax is a basic structure of a program. So here is a syntax of C language. This is an hello world program. So for better understanding, I show a hello world program here to explain about the syntax of a C language. So let's under let's understand the hello world program with C syntax has include std.h. So this is a first line. Has include std.h is a header file library that lets us work with input and output functions such as printf used in line 4. Header files added functionality to C programs. Secondly, in this program, here is a blank space. In C language, a blank space is also considered as a line. So a blank space is also considered as a line, second line. But C ignores white spaces, but we use it to make the code more readable. Line 3. Another thing that always appears in C program is main, int main, so main function. This is called a function. Any code inside its curly brackets will be executed. Line 4. Printf. So we all know that printf is a function used to output print text to the screen. In our example, it will output hello world as an output. Line 5. Return 0 ends the main function. Line 6. Do not forget to add the closing curly brackets to actually end the main function. So closed curly brackets indicates the ending a function, ending a main function, ending a function in C program. Comments in C. What are comments? Comments can be used to explain code and to make it more readable. It can also be used to prevent execution when testing alternative code. Comments can be single line comments or multi-line comments. Single line comments. Single line comments start with two forward slashes. Any text between slashes and the end of the line is ignored by the compiler, will not be executed. Here is an example for single line comment. So this is a basic program, hello world program. So a basic program can give a brief understanding about each and every topic. So we are all now familiar with this hello world program. So that I want to give an introduction to every topic with this hello world program. So here is double slash is a comment. So in this program slash, this is a comment. It refers that just is this, it is a comment, that's enough. Multi-line comments. Multi-line comments start with slash star and ends with star slash. Any text between star slash star and star slash will be ignored by C. So basically, what is the use of comments? Comments basically used to describe the use of the program and describes the functions, describes the code, everything in the program. So it will defines the use of the program. It will, by using comments we can define a program. So here is the same example, hello world. The code below will print words hello world to the screen, and it's amazing. So the sentence which are placed in between slash star and star slash, that will not be executed, but in the program it will show something about program.